up, Jerome?
Kid, oh shit!
Yo, dog. Yo, get down, man.
Man, where the hell you been, brother? Man, ain't nobody seen you since. Anyway, man, it's good to see you again, dog.
I have $500 that says I'm gonna take your helmet.
That's a funny dude.
I'm gonna go bust this fool ass.
Hold on. Is Donnie here yet?
Yeah, he's here.
I mean, if you want me to, I'll tell Donnie what's up. Have Donnie bust that fool. Feel me?
Yeah. Yo, kid, don't be such a stranger, man. Come on.
Looks good.
Yeah, you hooked this one up.
It looks real good. You got to keep this on you for another day at least.
Yo, I need you to hook me up. I got this new girl who want to get a tattoo, right? She want to put my name on her cheek.
I take it you don't mean on her face.
You know how I do. I got to brand my women right on that